Here's how to replace the speakers in your 2004 GMC Canyon. So the way this works, so this has a little clip that's sitting in here like this. Now this clip is clipped in just like this. Oops. Just like that, and it's attached to here. And there's this little piece on it that goes right here. And it's all sitting on here. So I just took it and I just popped off one of these sides with a screwdriver, you know, with a flathead. And now it's like this. Now there's 3 bolts we need to get off. This one, and there's 2 right here. Also, there's this little plastic trim piece on the side. We're gonna take this off to make it a little easier to get stuff out. I'm gonna take these 3 screws out. It's a really simple door to take apart, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, they're all the same. Now I grabbed this outside of this, and if you can get your fingers under there, there's a, there you go, got my fingers under it. Give it a little pull. There's these little plastic clips that'll come off. There we go. Take this off as well. We'll open this, take this piece off. Now that that's free floating, it should just come right off. And you kind of give it a little push. There's a little lip behind it. Just gonna push it so the whole thing will come off. Cool. Now we have the door off. Easy peasy. Now we need to get to this. We're gonna take this off. 1 screw. That was easy. Pull this out, comes right out. There's a clip. Push down on this clip right here. Comes right out. There we go. Now, I want to keep this little piece right here in the back. There's this little, it's almost like a foam gasket. We'll take that off. Okay, this speaker is pretty much trash. New speaker. It's the CCS Kicker speaker. I think it's 6 3/4. 6.75. Here we go. Here's what the speaker is. The Kicker coaxial speaker 4 ohm 6.75. And it comes, if you want to cut this off and then solder it, you can do that. I bought these little clips to go on it, so all I have to do is do that. And these are different sizes. There's a big one and a small one, so you can't mess up which one goes on which, but it's just big one goes on the big one, small one goes on the small one. I mean, that's pretty easy, right? Okay, we got it. So now, I'm just gonna take this foam, put it on the back of this before I throw it back on. And then, there's some screws that came with it. Okay, yeah. There's 4 screws that came with it. I'm just gonna use these. Okay, so that's in, but it's not like super secure. We're gonna turn it on, see if we can play music or something. Cool. It works. Putting it back on is super simple. You just do everything backwards. So first we just get the door. Make sure it lines up properly. That looks good. Next we'll put this in, pull this out, clips right in. Got the 3 screws we're gonna put back in. Okay. Don't forget this piece. So there's a little clip that goes down here. You need to make sure that goes in. So we're gonna make sure it goes in here, then line it up, just give it a little whack, it's back in. Okay, door's back on. That's the easy part. Then this has to go on. So this goes here, it goes this direction. You wanna make sure to go this direction, or else you're gonna have a hard time getting it off next time, or it's gonna be slightly more difficult to get off next time because you'll have to fight with this handle. So go this way. Cool. So I'm gonna clip it in, then I'm gonna push this in here. I did not do this last time. And then I'm gonna slide it in here. Maybe that's not the best way to do it. There we go. So now I'm going to push this back on. I was having a hard time doing it when it was there, so I'll just do it separately. Cool. It's back on. Everything works. I think I'm just about to overheat, but that's how I replaced my speakers in the 2004 GMC Canyon. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.